what's going on, guys? Dreamonix here, and today we're going to be doing a Roblox tutorial on game passes to give you custom items, health, and walk speed. So we're going to be going through that, and I'm going to go as slow as possible and give out a couple pointers. But the first thing we're going to be needing is a game pass. So I'm going to show you how to create a game pass for those of you who are new and do not know how to create one. So what you want to do is you want to go into the Roblox website. Go down to Store and click on Add Pass. Just to let you know, my internet's a bit slow, so I'm going to be doing some cuts and pauses just so things can be a little bit quicker. So we're going to choose a file, just any image works. I'm going to be using this one, and I'm just going to name this Game Pass and preview. Then you want to click on Verify Upload. Okay, so now that you got your Game Pass, somehow I got 2, so I don't know, whatever. Just click on the Game Pass, because we're going to be needing the item number, the ID. Okay, so this is our ID. We're going to be needing this ID later on. So, go back to Roblox Studio, go into Workspace, and insert Object, and just insert a script. So first what we're going to be doing is we're going to be putting in custom tools. So if you want to make your own tool, not use any of Roblox's models and tools, you can just insert your own tool. So what you want to do is you want to start off with local marketplace service, equals game get service marketplace service. Okay, now you also want to identify players. So local players equals game get service players. Okay, now we want to identify our Game Pass ID. Local Game Pass ID equals, so now we have to go into the website, copy the ID, go into Studio, and just paste. Now, we're going to be needing a function. So, function on player spawned player. Local has pass equals false. Local success message equals p call function. Has pass equals marketplace service user owned Game Pass sync. And then we're going to be putting in player dot user ID and then comma Game Pass ID. So we want to make sure this right here is the same as this. If you want to, you can just remove this and put the ID into here, but it doesn't really matter. Oh, let me just fix this real quick. Okay, so now what you want to do, just get over here, is we want to then have a message to determine, not to determine, but to see if it was a success or not. It just makes it a little bit easier to tell whether or not the script is working or not. So, if not success, then warn, and this is going to be the message. Error while checking game pass. TO2 string message. Okay, this just tells us in the output, it's going to tell us whether or not if we have a pass or not. So if we don't have the pass, it would say error while checking game pass. So that's that. And then we need a return function. Okay. Now, we gotta check if the player has the pass. They will be receiving the item. So if has pass. So if the player has pass equals true, then game dot server storage dot, and this is going to be your item. So let's say we want an AK-47, so AK-47, and this is going to be where our item would be. So we have to put our gun into the server storage, just like that. So we have this. Now clone, should be lowercase, clone dot parent equals player dot backpack. So this just clones the item into the player's backpack. So now what we do, we just do end, which is already there for us. So now we gotta end this real quick. Game dot players dot player added connect function player, like that. Player dot character added connect function. Should be lowercase. There. Okay. So on player spawned player. Okay. And now we'll just wrap this up real quick. Players dot connect on player spawned. So, there we have it. What we can do now is we can test, just to make sure this works. If it does work, we will be receiving our item. If not, then we'll have to check to see what is wrong. So, as you can see, we have received our item, our AK-47. Yeah, I know, my internet is bad, sorry. But, we have our item. So, that is for receiving your item. So, now, if you want more items, let's just say you want something else, just copy this, paste, make sure you put one of those in there, and let's just say the energy sword. You can put that into server storage as well, and it should work. Okay, so that is for items. Just to let you know, that works for the new Game Passes Roblox put up, because they removed the Game Pass ID. It used to be an asset, so it's now Game Pass. So this works for the newer one. So now we're gonna move to the easier one. So let's just insert a script. This is for health and walk speed. So local market place service equals game get service marketplace service. Now we gotta get the players as well. Local players equals game dot game get service players. Now game dot players dot player added connect function player. Player dot character added connect function character. So if game dot marketplace service user owns Game Pass sync. Now we gotta put in the player dot user ID, paste in your ID, then character dot humanoid dot walk speed equals, let's just do 30. And now we'll add in the health too. Character dot humanoid dot health equals 30. So not just you want to do health, but you also want to do max health, because once the player resets their character, they're going to have to regenerate all that health back again. So actually it should be 130, because we're not adding additional health. This is just the player's base health. So character dot humanoid dot max health equals 130. So there we have it. This script should work, and we want to make sure everything is capitalized, because these scripts are very, very case sensitive. So we want to make sure everything here is correct. And just like how I did in the other one, if you want to, you can do user, you can do game pass ID. You can do that game pass ID, and then go to local and do game pass ID equals that, and that works. Either one works. So now to test, see if it works. Alright. So you can see from the beginning we have our other tool, and look at that, we got our walk speed. So if we click on reset, we should have those tools and the walk speed and health back. Let's just give this a minute. Okay, there we go. And look at that, boom, it works. So guys, I just want to say thank you for watching, and hope you learned something new today. And also, I'll be doing a gun tutorial on that, one of those experimental modes, things like that, with remote functions or whatever. So if you guys want to see that, that should be a pretty long video, because it has a lot of scripts involved into it, but I'll do that if you guys want to. But anyways, thanks for watching, guys. Please subscribe for some more. See you later.